Everyone is talking about Dwarka new commercial project by Omex Group. If you are planning a commercial investment, then you find the right video. मैं अभी हूँ द्वारका में और मेरे पीछे है Omex का न्यू कमर्शियल लैंड बैंक इन सेक्टर 19B, which is huge 50.4 acres. मैं हूँ आप सभी का होस्ट आकाश और आज की वीडियो में आपको डिटेल में बताने वाला हूँ why you need to invest in Omex 19B commercial project. In every commercial investment, four things every investor need to consider: builder, location, concept, and at what stage you are investing in the project. In real estate, pre-launch and launch is the best time to getting in because you will get first price, best offers, great payment plan, and सबसे important, you will get multiple inventories to choose from. In sector 19B, renowned builder is making this huge commercial project, Omex, turning dream into reality. Presence in 29 cities and 8 states of India. A public listed company. Being trusted for over 36 years. Completed over 200 projects and 79 projects under construction. Location of project is Dwarka, where potential was patiently waiting for its turn to come. Dwarka is strategically and centrally located within minutes drive from West Delhi, South Delhi and Gurugram. It is adjacent to the India's busiest Indira Gandhi International Airport. Footfall matters a lot in commercial investment. इस इमेज से आप कनेक्ट करिए द्वारका को. 30 lakh captive population, 1,718 residential colonies, which is 21,000 persons per kilometer, 60 schools, 22 colleges, 25 plus hospitals and 426 parks. अगर मैं आज की बात करता हूँ, द्वारका is just 20 to 35 minutes away from any elite areas like Janakpuri, Rajouri Garden, Punjabi Bagh and so on. And the best part, Government of India and DDA investing 50,000 crores in over 15 iconic infrastructure and destination which are going to be India's first, largest, longest and biggest are all in Dwarka. ये सारी डेवलपमेंट्स हो रही हैं जैसे कि आप इमेज में देख पा रहे हैं. कुछ मेजर डेवलपमेंट की अगर मैं आपसे बात करता हूँ, यश भूमि India International Convention and Exhibition Center, 10,000 sitting capacity. Phase 1 is already inaugurated by Prime Minister Modi. Bharat Vandana Park, located in Sector 20 of Dwarka, just opposite side of Omex 19B commercial project. Spread over 200 acres, 10 parks in 10 acres, replicas of 36 prominent Indian monuments. Expected footfall is 50,000 per day just from Bharat Vandana Park. So location no doubt is very premium. Now let's talk about concept. India's largest integrated multi-sports and cultural arena with cricket and football stadium. Indoor sports stadium, a 5-star rated club and hotel. An initiative by DDA with a private developer under PPP model. This is the largest private commercial project of Delhi. Total land parcel is 50.4 acres with 3 side road approach and 11 entrance and 11 car drops. ये पूरा लैंड पार्सल आपका 4 डिस्ट्रिक्ट में डिवाइड है. फर्स्ट, द स्पोर्ट डिस्ट्रिक्ट, आउटडोर क्रिकेट एंड फुटबॉल स्टेडियम्स, सिटिंग कैपेसिटी ऑफ 30,000. आईसीसी एंड फीफा इसमें आपको देखने को मिलेगा. Even can host live shows and performance by international fame artists with a capacity up to 1 lakh people. Indoor stadium will be also there with 2,000 sitting capacity. Multi-sports arena able to host WWE, wrestling, boxing, judo, etc. Even an Olympic size pool with 8 lanes. Second, the leisure district. India most elite club, a 5-star rated club and hotel, banquet hall and party lawns. Third, the food district. Up to 36 restaurants, food kiosks, food trucks, food court. Fourth, the social district. Outdoor area रहेगा for the big events like handicraft, night bazaar, food festivals and more. Accommodate 8,000 to 10,000 people. इन सभी के बीच आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं 1,60,000 स्क्वायर फीट के कमर्शियल स्पेस में, जिसमें आप इन्वेस्ट कर सकते हैं रिटेल शॉप्स में, फूड कोर्ट्स में, रेस्टोरेंट्स में एंड मल्टीप्लेक्स में. ऑन ग्राउंड फ्लोर, फर्स्ट फ्लोर, सेकेंड फ्लोर, थर्ड फ्लोर and basement also. Minimum lockable size is 350 square feet and investment आपकी शुरू हो जाती है 3.75 CR से, जहां पर आपको 12% का एश्योर्ड रिटर्न मिलता है, 7% की लीज भी मिलती है आफ्टर पोजीशन. फर्स्ट ट्रांसफर विल बी फ्री एंड यू विल गेट अ ग्रेट पेमेंट प्लान ऑल्सो. अगर आप प्रोजेक्ट का ब्रोशर डाउनलोड करना चाहते हैं तो आप डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिए गए लिंक के थ्रू आप डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं. And feel free to call us for site visit or any query related to commercial investment. And if you really find this video informative, do give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and bell icon for more real estate videos update.